So hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm Kevin. This is gonna be my first vlog. So the time is around 9:85. So I'm just having my coffee, had my bath, and so I'll go dress up and I'll move to the college. So we're going to airport today. So thought it would be a better content to start with as a aviation student. So yeah, that's it. So hope all are doing good. Meet you in college. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is a small update. So I've reached my college. So we are getting started. So we have taken a bus. Let me once again listen to you. Hey guys, reached the airport. We have reached the airport just now.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇప్పుడే ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ కి వచ్చాము.
This is English program.
ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓకే
Okay.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వి ఆర్ ఇన్ ది ఎయిర్పోర్ట్.
Okay, we have just reached the airport. So we are going inside. So I will maximum of the maximum. I will try to cover it. So this is the ATC tower. So we have reached the ATC tower, but only five members are can go inside. So the rest of us are waiting here. So when our turn comes, we'll go inside. So we are in the ATC tower, but not in the ATC room. So we are waiting. So they're gonna call us upstairs. So we are just waiting and just watching the runway. Done with the ATC. The time is it's 1:15. So feeling hungry, need to go and eat. We have meals in the airport. So ATC was good. We got a few informations from him, from the ATC sir. Very informative. Nothing much. So completed our ATC visit. After lunch, we are going to the terminal tower. So we'll see what we'll do there. So we are in the canteen. అరే ఒక సెకండ్ సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి రా కొంచెం చిన్న. So in the canteen, having a lunch, basic meals, no non-veg, very bad. Friends eating. Joshna. Randeep. Hey Tisha. Benny bro. Hey guys. So take two. Hey guys, completed with our lunch. Take three.
Take 4.
Okay, whatever take. Hey guys, completed with my lunch. So we're just hanging around. So ATC had completed. So we have a good experience and good knowledge. We asked some few questions. So we got our answers and cleared our doubts. So what is your experience, guys?
Good.
Super. Awesome.
Ari rasudi chaptunna binni.
Awesome.
Great experience we have. Three takeouts and
One more
three
captain
landings.
with us. Captain, what's your experience? What do you think about ABCD?
నేను బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేశాను ఒక ఫ్లైట్ రావాల్సింది ఇంకో ఫ్లైట్
Nice joke.
We saw three takeoff
and three landing flights.
Okay, I was the unlucky person. I did not see even one takeoff and one landing from the ATC. Very bad. Okay, what to do? I'll directly fly the aircraft.
Yeah, in future we are going to fly.
Yeah, thank you.
అరే నీది ఏదిరా?
So, what is your experience?
It was a nice,
Next year.
awesome.
తెలుగులో చెప్పాలి. తెలుగులో చెప్పు.
చాలా బాగుంది ఇక్కడ అన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయటం అక్కడ ఉన్న ఆఫీసర్స్ అందరూ బాగా ఏటీసీ కంట్రోల్ గురించి బాగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం బాగా జరిగింది అండ్ ఈ బైనాక్యులర్ చేసుకుని
చాలా కామన్ గా అడిగాము.
ఓవరాల్గా సూపర్.
So that's so we're in front of the terminal building and we have to go inside. We are waiting for the rest of the people, the rest of the students to come join with us. Some of them are having lunch, so let them complete eating lunch.
We'll update you soon.
Yeah,
See
we'll
you
update you.
later.
Bye. So we're just going for a quick walk around. Some of our friends are out there, so we're just walking in the airport. So let me show you. Imran.
అంటే తీరా
రమ్య
Kevin, ఆపు Kevin. దాని లోపల పెట్టకు Kevin.
ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తుంది ఇది.
It's very hot యార్.
చూస్తున్నారు ఒక వింత జంతువు చెట్టు పట్ల ఎక్కకుండా ఎయిర్పోర్ట్కి వచ్చి
ఆస్ట్రేలియా హాయ్.
అసలు
పైన వేస్తున్నాను చెప్పు
రావా? So this is the park. So this is the parking place, which is very empty. This is my friend Ishwar.
The main guest,
This is Teja and Aftab.
He's feeling very shy. This guy is feeling very shy.
Hey. అయ్యా అందగాడా.
ఏదో పెద్ద అందగా రాలేని అందగా ఇది కావాలి.
So we're just sitting in the departure. Some VFA is going, so we're just waiting. That's it, nothing much. So we don't know what to talk in the vlogs. This is my first vlog though. So that's it, guys. This is my friend Deepu. Deepu Yadavare.
హాయ్ యారా we are waiting at airport
Departure
for
side.
my friends.
What my friends? We don't know for what. So we're waiting. So that is the reason, friends. The Home Minister of Andhra Pradesh is going. So they have stopped us. I think we'll go to the arrivals next after completing of departure visiting. So I'll try to cover everything. What to do, man? Beginner vlogger బాగా మీకేం తెలుస్తుంది బ్రో. మీరు కూడా బ్లాగ్ చేయొచ్చు కదా తేజ ఒకసారి. So we are still in the terminal building. went near the departure X-ray, baggage X-ray department. So just acquired some knowledge about the baggage scanning and what kind of stuff looks and what colors and how do they check the baggage security purpose and all. So we are still sitting here. So the another batch is out there. Let me just show you. This is the second batch. So after they come back, we'll go to the arrivals. The time is around time is 4:06. So don't know when are we going back. So that's the thing. Nothing much. Just sitting. Captain is just passing the time with some game. I am a bit bored, but the ATC was very exciting for me. Okay, right now being very honest, really bored. What about you?
Really, but I'm interested.
In what?
Asking questions and taking answers from you. Seeing
Actually, I'm
experience.
waiting for that. But right now, I'm really bored. It's like it's been 1.5 hours. We are just sitting.
We are just asking your experience and the work experience.
Yeah.
No one is talking about salary.
Very
They should not-
complicated.
They should not say about salary.
But that is what most of us want to know about. So that's the end of the airport trip. So much for day. So I will meet you guys at the night after reaching home. Goodbye. So hey all, this is Monday. The previous clip, the recording was on Saturday. In that clip I told meet you guys in the college, but after reaching college I couldn't record. I was so tired and there was no light. So we had a lot of fun in bus, dancing and stuff, youngsters does. So I couldn't record. That day I think I reached my home at 8 o'clock, around 8 o'clock, something like that. So I had my bath, had dinner and just slept. So this Monday I went to my college, I came back home, I went to my gym, done with my gym, just a basic workout, not a six-pack or a builder, just basic to be fit kind of thing, planning for bodybuilding, not yet. So that's the thing. Came back home, had bath. The time is around 9. Yeah, 9. Nothing much to say. This is my first vlog. I thought my first vlog should have a ending, so I'm recording this. So this is my first vlog, so please ignore some if I do make any mistakes or something kind of that. If you think something should be correct, please go comment down. So I think I must apologize for the framing in the previous clips. Actually, I'm recording this from a tripod. At that vlog time on the airport, I didn't have a stand. I'm recording from my phone, OnePlus 70 Pro. So I recorded with a selfie stick, which is not good. It was a bit broken, but I did some desi jugaad and managed. But still, the balance is not correct with the selfie stick and my phone. So most of the clips were shaky. So I'll slowly learn everything. So that's it. So please bear with my English. So I thought I should make only English vlogs and a bit of mix of Telugu slightly. Uh, that's it, nothing much. And please bear with my source. This is the most used word for me in English. That's the thing. Nothing much to say. That's it. So if you think something needs to be corrected, go down and comment. Meet you guys in the next vlog something. That's it, nothing much to say. You guys go. Okay, I'm not gonna tell this. You guys know what to do. If you like my vlog, go down, hit it. Let's see who's going to be my. Let's see who's my first subscriber, and randomly 10th and 18th and 22nd subscribers. Go comment down in which subscriber you come in this list. That's it. See you in the next vlog. Don't know when it's going to happen, but meet you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Bye. This is your Kevin.